Justice Diane Hathaway has been dodging questions for months about a property shuffle that the feds say was simply outside the law.
7 Action News investigator Ross Jones broke this story wide open, and tonight he is telling us that legal experts say it is an uphill battle for the judge.
Back in court this week, for the first time since she was accused of fraud, Justice Diane Hathaway refused to address the elephant in the room. Well, she's talking today, but only through her lawyer. Hathaway and her husband filed a formal response to the government's civil complaint against them, saying they'll fight to keep their $750,000 Florida home and that they didn't commit bank fraud. Earlier this month, the feds said they were only able to keep that home by committing money laundering. They said she and her husband systematically and fraudulently transferred property out of their names and hid assets in order to secure a short sale on this Grosse Pointe Park home. The feds said the shuffle helped forgive $600,000 in debt for the couple. Their probe into Hathaway was sparked by a 7 Action News investigation. In today's filing, Hathaway denied there was anything dirty in the property transfer, but did acknowledge the couple never told their bank, ING, that they shuffled the Florida home into their stepdaughter's name. It moved back into theirs after the short sale went through.
Now, Hathaway says she provided all the information that her bank asked for and that she consulted with a lawyer while she was asking for that short sale. Hathaway is something of an expert herself, though. She taught real estate law to brokers before becoming a judge.
Well, interesting. Now, I saw she was back at work. Has she said anything from the bench about this?
Good question. No. We did try to ask, but we were told by the Chief Justice Robert Young that no questions could be asked when court was back in session last week. They will be back in session in January, but it's safe to say no questions then either.
So it's just a waiting game at this point.
Essentially.